Okay, so this is what the old thermostat looks like. This is a bunch of wires in there. Okay, so we got this Honeywell round programmable. Here's your parts. Here's the money maker. So it says it's about 68. That's the temperature in the house. You got to check your configuration indicators. So we're off because this is going to go into a gas-powered warm air system only. And then these little pins are going to connect to that little section of black pins, and then we're going to have red, white, and yellow wiring going into this thing in the wall. Life hack. You see, I got to replace this thermostat. I got my old coil. I didn't want to take all this crap off the top, disconnect the gas outlets, do all that crap. So what you do is you snip off your old thermostat and then tape the coil end sensor to your old wire, and then just fish it through that way. Save yourself 25 minutes. Alright, so now we fished it through here. I didn't secure this thing yet, but I got the wire hookups. So now we got to kind of reorient this and then fish it down.